When you look at the shadows in Eevee compared to those of cycles, you might notice that they are less dense and of lower quality than those of cycles. And we can improve this if you have a stationary object. So let's add a new material for the floor. And then I'm going to go into the shader editor. And then in the window below, we can go into the UV editor and then add a new image and then give it a name. You can also increase the resolution if you want to. And then press Shift A, and then let's add an image texture. And then we need to select that new image that we just created. And then under the render settings, we're going to go to bake and then bake the shadows that we have in cycles. Okay, so now we have the shadows, and now we can connect the image with the shadows to the material outputs. So that when we go into rendered view and switch to Eevee, you can see that we keep those shadows.